Alright, so fast forward to 3 to 4 weeks later after I posted that video. We are... How do you even start it? Yeah, I've been doing a lot. Honestly, I've been stressing a lot lately because of work, and work has been making me tired, and I just honestly didn't want to film. Yeah, dude, like work takes a toll on you, and yeah, I just wanted some alone time to work on my own car, you know, finish everything up, get it running so I could start driving the damn car again. And yep. Don't worry, I did record videos of us putting the motor all together and everything. It's just so long to like edit, and I just don't want to leave you guys hanging with no video. So that video will be uploaded. It just will take a little bit more time because, like I said, it's a lot of shit that was done to this motor, but it is in the car now. Quick explanation on what we did: main bearing, rod bearings, thrust bearings, oil pump O-ring. We're still using the same oil pump that came on the motor. Brand new oil and water pump, brand new alternator because I had to donate my alternator that came on this motor to my dad's car because his went out. Head got resurfaced. Everything stock in the head minus I did switch out to SuperTech lost motion assembly, so LMAs. The stock ones, they get sticky throughout time, so you start hearing a lot of clacking. But I do have SuperTech LMAs in here, and that's the only thing I changed. Transmission is still my built transmission from before, and I have no idea why this bolt is still here. Oh, probably when I put the motor in, so I gotta take this bolt out. Damn, that's in there. All right, I hate this distributor cap. I got it from O'Reilly's because I was kind of in a rush to like see the car will fire up, and the car does fire up. And the only check engine light I have on this car is the rear O2, the downstream one, the one that goes on the cat, because I don't have the cat yet. I'm running my same exhaust setup. For now, I'm gonna get this car barred, so do not worry, guys. I just have to put this back on. But before I do that, I need to put a cal on it. And yeah, I just refreshed it. I did get a spoon intake, elbow, little arm, and this is the factory EK airbox on the original bracket. This is my Koyo half size. I had to put the OEM fan on. Yeah, all buttons up. I'm gonna change this ground out to probably one of the grounds that Run Hard gave me. Right here. Damn, that's a bit too long. I hit him up again. If you're watching this video, buddy, hit me up, or I'll hit you up if I remember. I did get a brand new fuel fee line, all the EVAPs down there for smog purposes and getting the car barred. If you guys want to see a video or want me to make a video separately on how to get this thing barred, I will just let me know, drop a comment down below, and I'll make a full list and explanation of like what you need and everything to get your car barred and smog legal in California for all you California guys. So when you get pulled over, nothing will ever happen to you. There's like a bar sticker and be like, all right, you're good, go away. So if you guys want a separate video on that, I can make one. And huge shout out to my homie AJ. He actually was one of the guys that helped me a lot trying to figure out how to get this thing barred and, well, not barred yet, but how to do it right and all that, because he got his EK done twice. One with the D16 supercharged Jackson Racing supercharger, and another one with his current B16 A2 that he has in the car. What we are gonna be focused on right now, because it is 5 o'clock, I need to put my bottom radiator hose in to the radiator, put the fan in, put the upper radiator hose in, and damn it, I should have done it without the air. Oh, I could just take this off, it's easy. And then put coolant in, check for leaks, turn the car on and let it idle and warm up. Like I said, the only check engine light that's on is gonna be the O2. I still have to work on that, I have to extend it. That's one reason why all this is in pieces still. And I did get a OEM radio block-off plate because I was running my gauges here, but I don't need the gauges anymore and the car is pretty much stock. And I got to put all that back in. So let's get to putting on the upper and lower radiator hose and the radiator fan. Turn the car on, move out of the garage so it doesn't stink up. I am running a test pipe still, so don't want the fumes to get clogged up in here. And I did put my race green tees back on with the Mugen lip just to see what it looks like. Oh, and I did paint the front lip. rattle can once again, boys. Put the badge back on. Has a lot of orange peel, but it just has to get wet sanded. But looks a lot better color matched, for sure. All right, let's get this thing going. What I've noticed is on the Coirad, the holes line up, but either these two don't line up or these two don't line up. So only two works unless you trim the stock fan. So what I'm gonna do is run this for now and get a different fan later on. But I'm just gonna run the top ones because I feel like the top ones are more important than the bottom ones. And yes, and luckily I still have my factory plug, so it just plugs right in. I never cut mine. All right, it's all in there. Now to put some coolant up in there. And yeah, I got some questions about the Coirad not fitting in certain people's cars. They were saying how they had to cut this out, and I didn't cut mine. It is touching because I do have brand new rubber bushings down here in the grommets. But I mean, it fits perfectly fine and it doesn't move. And if I push it down, it'll move, but it should be good though. I got questions on like what coolant I use. Even on my old C5 setup, I've always used Honda blue coolant. On my old track car, I used to use water wetter, distilled water with water wetter. It's nice getting off work and working on the car, but I know for a fact that I have work tomorrow, so it kind of sucks. Best feeling is putting coolant and starting your car. I still need to put on the secret exhaust. I might put it on tomorrow when I get off. What I'm gonna do now is double check for oil. Because you want it to have oil, of course. All right, oil is good. Now I need to put the ground on. Oh, thank you, Lee, for the OEM battery. And then everything else should be good. Now I'm just gonna move this stuff out and turn the car on. And first off is, let me double check for leaks because you never be too sure. Everything looks tight. All right, let's turn this thing on. I gotta put that bumper on when I get it moving. I'm not driving anywhere, so my axle nuts are loose also, but yes. Oh, there's my snap-on light. All right. Fuel pump. It feels so weird driving this because my new daily is on is manual too, but the clutch is less stiff. All right. Fire right up. Kind of stinks. I think I have exhaust leak somewhere. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Double check for leaks. You always want to double check for leaks, guys. Leaks are nobody likes leaks. Up. We gotta tighten that one. Like a dumbass. Gotta tighten that hose real quick. That heater hose was loose. Now it's tight. Needs more coolant. This one's out. Ah. Sounds super healthy. Oh, I have a loose. Oh, that's rattling. Check engine light is for O2, like I stated earlier. Idle is going down. Idle, what was it? The idle's pretty steady actually. It's pretty good. I don't have an overflow either. Wow, this thing is so quiet. The idle's dropping. I might have to adjust it, but holy crap, this thing's so quiet. Oh man, it needs a lot of coolant. I miss having a quiet car. Temp gauge works. Only thing is the idle is a bit low. It's around like 400, so I'm gonna bump that up once it warms up. So quiet. I'm just amazed at how quiet this thing is. I'm so used to my other motor. Let me just double check. All right. I really need to adjust the idle, so I'm gonna do that right now. The idle's too low. But look at that, boys. Yeah. It's taking a while to bleed, but yeah, because it's sitting here. But yeah, the motor's really quiet. Oh damn, my flashlight fell. Trying to help it bleed. No leaks, which is amazing. I hate leaks. Perfect. That bottom radiator hose is getting hot now. So the fan should be turning on any minute now. So I'm just gonna let it sit, and then whenever the fan goes on, yeah, we know that the cooling system works. But wow, look at that. Shoot, doesn't that lip look so good? Oh my god. And if also you guys notice, I've been trying to make the videos a little bit longer now. Roughly like up to 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, because I do upload once a week, so just trying to keep like the content there. I still have to put this hood on. And got a lot of cleaning up to do actually. But oh, this is trash. The Seeker exhaust is gonna be going on tomorrow, so I'll have a video for you guys on that. Just waiting. Quick tip too. Rinse coolant once you close your radiator cap. Woo! Got on the header. So your car won't smell like coolant when you're driving around. Fan turns on, that means the cooling system is good. That rattling sound is the bolt on that bumper. Oh my god. I cannot wait to drive this thing on the weekend. Oh, I still have to put the O2 in and all that, but it's solid though.